Want to start playing the Dreamy Room mobile game, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Dreamy Room. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download Dreamy Room, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in Dreamy Room at the top. Tap Dreamy Room when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Face ID or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start playing Dreamy Room. That's all it takes to download Dreamy Room. Want to try out other mobile games? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.